wrong with this car? Oh, it's running out of gas.
Yeah.
7-Eleven?
It's actually running out of gas.
Like, beggars can't be choosers at this point. 7-Eleven? Or
Safeway.
Oh, there.
I was like, what's wrong with this car?
I told you we need to get gas.
Yeah, but it's...
Can't say as though I run my car that low.
It's not my car.
It's not your car? Okay.
I got in it because Jessica needed a car. So.
Curtis is like...
And you guys left me empty on the Suburban.
I told you, let's pull over and get gas. And you're like, not the 7... You know how 7-Eleven got its name, by the way?
No.
Real fact. 7 pounds,
Because
11-pound bag of ice.
Because it's 711 degrees in this car right now.
It's just 3 big hot dudes, you know, baking it up in a Mercedes. Is this Mercedes Benz?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we're in a Mercedes.
Just like Janis Joplin.
What, these boots are made for walking?
So. Whew. You want me to put fuel in here? Or you putting... I guess Sal's putting fuel in. Come on, coffee. Work.
Oh, a little while ago, before we went to a meeting, that might be why I was so chatty. I snorted a bottle of 5-hour. Came out what?
It said.
It did. He said, "You want to go that far, that fast? We got to.
We're going to remind you
gotta
where you need to stop first.
We got to coordinate some nutrients."
Uh-oh. Sal's putting 87 in this car.
Uh-oh.
No, like for real.
Uh-oh.
We got a problem.
87 octane?
Yep.
Can't put 87 in here.
Can't put 87?
At least 89.
No. What is it?
89 or 92.
Oh, well. It'll ping and knock and...
Well, you want to go 89?
This thing's supercharged, man.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. Grandma Honey gets the good stuff. All right.
Doesn't it say right on the...
He switched gears.
There. That is one thing I had to get my mindset around when I started driving Euro cars. Just always reach for the premium handle. It's just the way it is.
So we have become fans of Vice Grip Garage.
Sal is putting the old premium in.
I love
for
this
the
guy.
engine.
I love Vice Grip Garage. Big shout out to Vice Grip Garage. If you have not seen him,
You gotta look him up.
please.
Look up Derek.
Derek will keep you in stitches and inform your mind and brain. He's an amazing, and very talented mechanic. One of those handy guys to know. Can I do that without copyright infringement?
Mm-hmm.
Handy guys to know. I love his gesture. His hand gestures. They're great. Did you? What the F was that?
The Lucky Charms elf is down there.
No kidding.
Thank you, Sal. Okay. Now it doesn't say, you need fuel.
Yeah.
Excuse me. I'm parched.
It's not very good clippy.
Did you clip it on that little...
Why don't you clip it?
Yeah, why don't you... I mean, why don't you be the boss of me?
Poor car. It was like in perfect condition, and it's kind of starting to show its age.
So what are we doing today, Jay?
We're gonna fix Grandma Honey's car. It needs a new wiper assembly transmission motor thingamajigger. It's out of time, and on these W202 C-Class Mercedes from the 1990s and early 2000s, it's a mono wiper. So it's got this crazy, yeah, it kind of goes, yeah, karate style.
Kind of waxy on, waxy off.
The little arms get out of whack, don't they, Sal?
Yep.
Yeah, we've been troubleshooting this car for a while. Got one of the eBay, not eBay, China, Amazon aftermarket wiper motors, and it also promptly stripped the gears right out of it. So,
well, I saw the flaw there. The worm gear was metal, and the orbital gear was plastic.
but they're that way from the factory too.
I mean,
I think there has to be something that wears out, right? And so they have the gear wear out first before the worm gear does. But the aftermarket one was of substandard quality.
wasn't of the German engineering.
No. We have become aware that there is another late 90s C230 Mercedes at our local self-service wrecking yard. So we're going to go and take a look and see if we've got a
Pull apart.
thingamajigger, doohickey, wiper, mabobber, motor, transmission assembly majigger at the wrecking yard.
All right, we're out of here.
Good. One other car.
Victory.
Somebody already got it.
Victory.
Is it good?
You tell me.
Well, like it's not like stripped out or nothing. Does that look right?
Yep. That's very close.
So we made it back to the house here, and we're gonna finish up this wiper motor transmission linkage motor job. You can see we have Sal over here on the important end, finishing it up. He just bolted transmission back into the car right there. We're hooking up the wiring. Now on these cars, on the W202 C-Class Mercedes from 94 to 2000, the wiper motor actually plugs in the fuse panel over here. The early cars from I think about 94 to 97 have a different electrical plug, and that was part of the problem we found and the reason why this car's been apart for a while. It's because we've been looking for that specific, the later plug from 98 and up, I believe. 98, 99, 2000 has that green electrical connector. The older one has the Mercedes metal pins. So a little bit about this car. This is Grandma Honey's car, my mom. It's a 1999 C230 Kompressor. It has the little itty bitty 4-cylinder with a supercharger, which is down there somewhere. And it does all right. It's got good power, about like a 6-cylinder car does. Okay, we're at the point where it's plugged in. We are gonna go ahead and test it here. Let me lower the hood down. It would help if you had the keys, yes. See when we got here. Aha, he does have them. Look at that. Try the fast speed. Is that fast?
Fast.
Okay, slow. Okay.
inappropriate, I might add. So, me, being the biggest slacker of them all, I show up with like a blister when the work's all done. These guys crushed it. Mama Honey, you're ready for a rainy day.